So my name's Paul Fisher. I work in ESA's climate office based in the UK. And I'm here today to talk about the role of satellites in monitoring the climate. So the European Space Agency is Europe's gateway to space. We design, develop, build and launch satellites to understand the Earth system. And my particular interest is in relation to studying the climate. I'm here today to talk to meteorologists to give them an update on the latest science and observations from space so that they can help inform the public on the changes that we're all facing.